There are some places which can't be described in words. It's the feeling that stays with you. Welcome to Indonesia. Our Indonesian adventure began in the tropical paradise of Bali along the stunning coastline of Nusa Penida. This journey had a special place in our hearts as both of our parents joined us, making it a truly unforgettable family experience.
That's Man's point right there. I think there's also Mount tourist right there. So I want you guys be ready. And whenever you're ready, we will get closer to the point after the boat drop us.
Finally, after reaching Nusa Penida, we started getting ready for our snorkeling adventure with the help of our guide, Luffy. And then it was time.
Sungguh indah lautku, membentang luas laut nan biru. Habitat berbagai makhluk hidup bersembunyi di balik terumbu. Laut yang penuh kekayaan, sumber hidup manusia yang berlimpah. Beraneka macam kehidupan menjadi sumber daya alam.
It was amazing.
Salt-kissed winds ride tails on our skin, telling us that our soul is free. The horizon melts where the sun meets the sea. The silence whispers, "Be what you want to be." We started our next adventure at the Lake Beratan, waiting for the sun to rise. The lake is considered sacred by the Balinese people and is dedicated to Devi Danu, the goddess of water, lakes, and rivers.
Some rice field here, very dry, very needed water. And then some people like holy men, he meditation in the holy bamboo. And after he meditation, he cutting one bamboo and later he stuck on the ground. From the ground comes up water.
Bali is also called the land of gods. There are more than 20,000 Hindu temples in Bali. We visited one of the most iconic temples, Ulun Danu Beratan Temple, which is on the Lake Beratan.
Right now we are at the Taman Griya Beji Badung. So this place famous with the water purification. The water purification in Bali we call melukat. Melukat is a Bali's magical ritual which involves using water as the ritual cleanser.
Are you ready?
There is something magical about the temples in Bali and cannot be described in words. In Bali, there is a concept of life called Trihit Karna, and this water purification ceremony offered a tangible experience of this concept, which translates to 3 reasons for prosperity: the connection with God, the people, and the nature.
You can see the Bromo basically is a volcano inside the volcano. You see the hill that's surrounding us. It's formed by the volcanic eruption started from 200,000 years ago. It's a big caldera, 10 kilometers in diameters, 10 kilometers from north to south, 8 kilometers from east to west. Down there, behind the clouds, below the clouds, there's like a desert. When we going there, you can see like a moon-like landscape.
We are going up there.
Indonesia is home to 147 volcanoes, making it one of the most volcanically active countries in the world.
Smoke is coming out. I'm feeling the smell of sulfur. It's amazing.
The word Bromo came from one of the Hindu gods, the Brahma, which means it is mountain of gods.
We are going down to the waterfall. Yesterday whole night it rained, but now the weather is beautiful.
This is Tumpak Sewu Waterfall.
Amazing viewpoint.
The viewpoint for the waterfalls was just a 10-minute walk, but as soon as you witness the falls, no words can truly capture its grandeur.
This is the way for go down to the waterfall, and be careful. Welcome to East Java. So this is Tumpak Sewu.
Gemercik air mengalun merdu, menari bebas tiada ragu. Jatuh ke bumi membawa sejuk, membawa damai dalam peluk. Di balik derasnya arus yang jatuh, ada cerita yang tak pernah rapuh. Ragam kenangan dalam buihnya, mengalir jauh tanpa lelahnya.
My name is Bob, Akin, Bowo, and
Irwan.
Orangutan.
We started our 3-day trek in the Sumatran jungles to find orangutans.
Welcome to the jungle.
As soon as we entered the jungle, we had our first sighting.
Hey guys, look. This is Thomas Lake monkey was. You see them with the baby? Oh, that one. Yeah. Lucky you. This is only you can see in Sumatra. When they're growing, the hair become funky hair. Yeah. Mohawk.
Sumatran jungles are primarily tropical rainforests. That's why they receive high rainfall, high humidity, and a dense canopy of vegetation. As we went deeper into the jungle, the humidity became more intense.
It's humid.
It's tiring.
This is termite process. Like ecosystem, jungle ecosystem.
We haven't found the orangutan till now.
Success, we did going up to the top.
Finally, before the sunset, we reached our first base camp. On the second day, we set out early, making our way to another base camp as we continued our quest to spot orangutans. As we ventured deeper into the rainforest, we encountered a few more primates along the way. And finally, 5 hours later, we spotted them.
Yeah, they're going up. Look at the baby orangutan, the carry termite. Orangutan shake the termite on hand and then they eat them. Because like I told you, orangutan is not 100% vegetarian. So before scientists find that genetic 96.4%, how close our genetic between human and orangutan, in Sumatra, local people, they don't call them orangutan. We call them by dialect, that means mawas. After scientists find that genetic 96.4%, then change the name to be orang-utan. Orang is mean human, utan is mean jungle. So maybe because of the Darwin theory, because how close our genetic, like evolution.
Orangutans are critically endangered, and witnessing them roaming freely in the jungle was such a spectacle. Finally, the next day, it was time to go back. The rainforests of Sumatra gifted us moments we will cherish forever. As we bid farewell to the magical land, we were reminded that the world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. As our journey through Indonesia came to a close, we were left in awe of the breathtaking beauty and vibrant culture this incredible country had to offer. In our limited exploration of Bali, Sumatra and Java, we came to a profound realization. Indonesia is a land so vast, so diverse and so rich in beauty and culture that it would take multiple lifetimes to fully uncover its wonders.
Here is Batur volcano. So in Batur volcano have 3 craters. The first, top one, second and third one.
But beyond the stunning landscapes and unforgettable experiences, it's the connections we were able to build with the people, their kindness, their stories, and their smiles that will stay with us forever. And perhaps the most special part of this journey was sharing it with family. And it offered our parents the chance to embrace moments they would have never experienced of their own.
Padi menunduk dalam kebersahajaan, terhampar di atas permadani kuning alam persawahan. Gunung terlihat gagah menjulang penuh dikdaya. Pepohonan hijau berbaris menanti sang matahari.